So this is the first job opening that we have, which want 2 to 5 years experience. The job is cyber threat intelligence analyst. Okay, so a vulnerability assessment sandbox, SIM, IDS, IPS knowledge is required. This is mail ID where you can drop your resume, right? So responsibility will be you need to collect, analyze the cyber threat, anticipate emerging threats. You need to do research, perform threat intelligence, and you need to do all the work which is related to cyber threat intelligence in the company, right? Now let's move to the next job opening. So next job opening is something for the instructor. Okay, there's a company which is called the Tech Unique. It's of my friend one. Okay, so they're looking for cyber security instructor. Okay, who can deliver some cyber security training to the individuals, those who are looking for the job, and those who wants to get a training. So what are the knowledge and skill set is required? You should have good knowledge in cyber security. Okay, practical knowledge. Minimum 1 years of experience in conducting training and workshop. Okay, you should have uh, CISSP or CEH or Computer Security Plus is a must, I guess. And communication skills should be good. Okay, and training content and skills level will be provided to you. Not knowledge of network security, cryptography, and risk management is important. So to like Metasploit, YSR and Nessus, the knowledge of all this tool is very much important. And this is the link URL bit.ly/cyber apply where you can drop your resume. Okay, just click on link and you will get a form from where you can apply for. The next job opening is for the freshers, those who have minimum 1 years of experience. So it's a SOC job in as a L1 support engineer. So there's a company which called Alchemy Tech Solution. Alchemy. Alchemy Tech Solution. It's in Bangalore. They're looking for L1 SOC engineer and cyber security issues, insurance system protection, all those things you point. SIM, EDR, PAM, DLP, DMARC, and all those anti-APT email spamming tools knowledge is important. What are the work that you need to do is first you need to monitor the threat, whatever things which is going around the company. So you'll be working in a SOC center, troubleshooting and cybersecurity issue, phone number, email ID, ticket system. Like there will be a platform where you need to figure out all those things. Okay, you need to collaborate with the team, those who are working on the same. Right. So this is a mail ID Harsita dot the at the rate Alkyme solution, Alkyme tech solution dot where you can drop it using. If you get selected, you will get a mail back. Next is someone is looking for SOC, 1 to 2 years of experience required. It's a SOC analyst role. Okay, and SOC, phishing, SIM, Splunk, and enterprise security is important. So it's in Deloitte actually. So guys, Deloitte is looking for a lot of good roles. So you can check out this URL. Okay, and accordingly you can do right. Next is Ajax Network Solution. They are looking for cybersecurity technical junior technical engineer. Freshers के लिए Ahmedabad, call this number if you have any question. This is the mail ID. Okay, and accordingly just do the things. Okay, they are looking for just drop your resume. It's a fresher job, so you might get selected. Now next is cybersecurity consultant. As an on-site cybersecurity consultant, you need to conduct vulnerability assessment, pen testing, security assurance, and you usually have to do VAPT things, right? And this is mail ID talent@embassysolution.com where you can drop your resume and accordingly you can get selected, right? Next is tech defenders. Location is Ahmedabad. If you are a fresher, then and this is for you, VAPT intern. Okay, if you have 1 years of experience, then this is for you. Okay. Uh, VAPT role, 1 to 2 years of experience is required and all those. This is the mail ID where you can copy resume along with the position that you are looking for. So it's for VAPT department, so you should have knowledge about VAPT and all. Next is Associate Security Analyst. It's in Noida. Company name is Kratikal. Okay, mail ID kratikal.com. They're looking someone who should have knowledge of web application testing, mobile application testing, API testing to identify vulnerability and ensure the robust solution of the company, right? So they are looking for with minimum 6 month of experience. Okay, and 1 साल तक चलेगा, that's well and good. And you should have to be from Delhi NCR or somewhere.